Have you ever sat in a cold, sterile doctor's office, clutching a clipboard full of scheduled testing dates, and felt a quiet, nagging intuition that something wasn't quite right? We are often conditioned to believe that the more medical tests we undergo as we cross into our 60s, the safer and more protected our health will automatically be. But what if I told you that some of the most common, routine health screenings you are faithfully scheduling are actually doing you far more harm than good? There is a shocking hidden medical truth that few people realize until it is far too late. After 60, your heart and your joints require attention. Blind compliance with every standard screening can plunge you into a dangerous cycle of overdiagnosis, unnecessary anxiety, and risky procedures. You might think you are proactively protecting your longevity, but you could accidentally be exposing your body to avoidable harms that slowly chip away at your daily independence. If you want to protect your health and avoid common mistakes, subscribe for more videos like this. The primary misunderstanding surrounding preventive healthcare in our golden decades is the deeply ingrained belief that more data always equals better health. We tend to approach our medical care with a consumer mindset, assuming that checking every single box on a laboratory menu is the ultimate shield against the passage of time. However, as our bodies mature, the internal baseline of what is normal begins to shift, and our tissues naturally develop benign quirks, shadows, and slow-moving changes that pose absolutely zero threat to our daily lives. Common habits, like agreeing to every single exploratory scan your insurance covers or demanding regular blood panels just to feel safe, can trigger a cascade of medical interventions that disrupt your body's natural balance. The risks of stepping onto this hidden medical conveyor belt are exceptionally serious, yet they can be approached with a completely calm and focused mind. When you undergo an unnecessary screening test, you are not just getting information. You are opening a door to false positives, invasive follow-up biopsies, and aggressive treatments for conditions that would have never caused you a single symptom if left completely alone. This slow, continuous flood of medicalized stress can quietly erode your emotional peace, strain your vital organs with unnecessary medications, and place an immense physical workload on your body, slowly stealing the vibrant, self-sufficient lifestyle you have spent a lifetime building. According to many specialists, traditional preventive tactics fail to account for the unique biology of a mature adult, because standard guidelines are often designed for much younger populations. What most people don't realize is that your body enters a phase of life where the potential harms of invasive diagnostic testing can quickly outweigh the microscopic benefits of catching an incredibly slow-moving issue. Doctors often see this mistake where senior patients demand aggressive testing out of fear, completely unaware that the diagnostic process itself carries physical risks that can permanently alter their quality of life. Medical experts point out that when you look too closely at a healthy aging body with highly sensitive modern machinery, you are guaranteed to find harmless abnormalities, which then forces your medical team into a defensive posture where they feel legally obligated to treat things that do not need fixing. What most people miss is that your body relies on your wisdom and your careful, daily self-awareness, not generic, automated testing schedules, to tell you when something genuinely requires medical attention. Doctors often argue that the true secret to preserving your health, vitality, and physical framework after 60 is not about chasing every shadow on an image, but rather understanding which specific checkups carry hidden traps that can disrupt your long-term wellness. Let us look closely at the first common screening test that requires extreme caution as we get older, which is the routine annual electrocardiogram, often called an EKG, for individuals who have absolutely no symptoms of heart trouble. It may seem incredibly helpful to get a quick, painless electrical tracing of your heart every single year just to ensure that your cardiovascular system is ticking along smoothly. But what most people miss is that for an asymptomatic adult over 60, a routine EKG is notoriously unreliable, frequently picking up harmless, minor variations in your heart's electrical rhythm that are simply a reflection of an aging muscle. According to many specialists, These innocent variations are often misinterpreted as dangerous abnormalities, immediately triggering a massive wave of panic and forcing you into a sequence of far more invasive follow-up tests. Doctors often see this mistake cascade into unnecessary stress tests, cardiac catheterizations, or the prescription of heavy blood pressure and rhythm medications that cause severe dizziness, fatigue, and an increased risk of dangerous falls. The safe, realistic action step is to bypass routine, automated EKGs if you feel completely fine, choosing instead to focus your medical visits on basic, non-invasive observations like a simple pulse check and a conversation about how you actually feel during your daily walks, allowing your heart to function without the shadow of unneeded medical panic. The second standard checkup that often does more harm than good after a certain milestone is routine cervical cancer screening, commonly known as a pap smear, for women who are over the age of 65 and have a history of normal results. For decades, women are taught that this test is an absolute non-negotiable part of self-care, making it feel deeply uncomfortable or even irresponsible to suddenly stop scheduling it as they age. However, what most people do not realize is that cervical cancer is an incredibly slow-developing condition that typically takes decades to manifest, meaning that if you have had consistent, clear results throughout your 50s, your risk drops to near zero. According to many specialists, continuing this specific screening past 65 rarely provides any life-saving benefit, but it frequently results in false positives due to the natural, harmless changes that occur in mature tissue. This leads to painful, highly stressful biopsies and unnecessary surgical procedures on delicate areas that take much longer to heal as we get older. Doctors often see patients endure immense emotional distress and physical discomfort for a screening that major national medical task forces explicitly advise against continuing past this age. The safe solution is to have an open, confident conversation with your provider about your long history of normal health, allowing you to gracefully step away from this unnecessary routine and focus your energy on supporting your daily vitality. The third daily checkup trap that seniors must look at with deep discernment is the routine screening colonoscopy when you are over the age of 75, or even earlier if you are dealing with other complex health challenges. It is a common belief that we must continue to peer into our digestive tracts at regular intervals for our entire lives to remain completely safe from harm. What most people miss, however, is that a colonoscopy is a major, highly invasive procedure that requires a powerful, deeply dehydrating fluid cleanse beforehand and a significant level of sedation during the process itself. According to many specialists, as our bodies cross into our mid-70s, the risks of the intensive preparation fluid alone multiply significantly, frequently causing sudden kidney strain, severe electrolyte imbalances, and dangerous drops in blood pressure that leave you feeling weak for weeks. Furthermore, medical experts note that the walls of a mature intestine naturally become thinner and more delicate, which dramatically increases the risk of accidental punctures or internal bleeding during the procedure. Doctors often see seniors endure the exhausting physical toll of this invasive screening to find tiny, slow-growing polyps that would have taken 10 to 15 years to ever become a problem, meaning the test treats a hypothetical future threat by creating an immediate, physical danger today. A realistic, safe alternative is to speak with your doctor about non-invasive, highly effective stool-based screening kits that you can perform in the complete comfort of your own home, entirely bypassing the physical trauma of an unnecessary procedure. The fourth medical checkup that can lead you down a dangerous path of overtreatment is the routine, aggressive screening for prostate cancer using the PSA blood test in men over the age of 70, or in men of any age with limited daily mobility. For years, men have been told that a simple blood draw is all it takes to catch a silent killer, making it seem like a completely effortless and harmless box to check during an annual exam. But here is what most people do not realize. The vast majority of prostate changes found in older men are incredibly slow-moving, benign shifts that behave more like gray hair than an aggressive illness, meaning they will never spread or impact your lifespan. According to many specialists, the PSA test is highly imprecise, frequently spiking due to minor, harmless events like a urinary tract infection, a long bicycle ride, or a simple age-related enlargement of the prostate gland. When this number comes back elevated, it triggers a cascade of intense worry, followed by painful needle biopsies that carry a high risk of infection and bleeding. Doctors often see this mistake lead to aggressive surgeries or radiation treatments that leave senior men dealing with permanent, life-altering struggles like incontinence and profound fatigue, all to treat an issue that never would have caused them harm if it had remained undetected. A safe, wise approach is to recognize that your daily peace of mind is an essential pillar of your longevity. Choosing to skip routine PSA screenings in your later years, unless you are experiencing actual physical symptoms that require careful investigation. The fifth and final category of medical testing that you should approach with extreme hesitation is the unprescribed, commercial full-body CT scan or generic preventative imaging packages sold directly to consumers through heavy marketing campaigns. It is incredibly easy to fall for the alluring promise of these high-tech scans, which claim to peer deep inside your body to catch every single hidden flaw before it can grow. What most people do not realize, however, is that these massive scanning machines expose your mature tissues to an immense, concentrated dose of radiation that can be hundreds of times stronger than a standard chest X-ray. According to many specialists, because these machines are so incredibly sensitive, they are practically guaranteed to find tiny, completely harmless shadows, cysts, or nodules on your lungs, liver, or kidneys that have been sitting there peacefully for decades. Once these innocent shadows are discovered on a digital screen, it is psychologically impossible to forget them, plunging you into a state of permanent health anxiety and forcing you into a cycle of repeat scans, contrast dyes that strain your kidneys, and risky exploratory surgeries. Doctors often see seniors spend thousands of dollars out of pocket only to buy themselves a lifetime of unnecessary medical worry and physical complications from treating harmless anomalies. The safe, realistic solution is to completely avoid these commercial scanning traps, remembering that your body is a beautifully complex living system, not a flawless machine, and that true prevention comes from how you nourish your cells every day rather than chasing digital ghosts on an imaging screen. What most people don't realize is that the incredible, vibrant physical freedom of seniors who manage to remain completely active, clear-minded, and independent well into their late 80s is rarely achieved by spending their lives in diagnostic waiting rooms. These long-lived individuals understand that your mature body possesses an absolute abundance of natural wisdom, and that true health is maintained by tuning into your daily physical sensations rather than hunting for hidden flaws with aggressive medical machinery. Doctors often see that when a senior stops viewing their body as a ticking time bomb that needs constant testing, and instead focuses their energy on clean movement, deep sleep, and nourishing hydration, an immediate cascade of emotional and physical relief occurs. The constant, background static of health anxiety completely evaporates. Your immune system functions with greater peace, and your medical care becomes a true partnership based on how you actually feel rather than automated guidelines. It is a profound form of emotional reassurance to realize that your body is remarkably resilient and that you have the complete right to protect yourself from the unintended harms of over-medicalization. Now, I want to provide you with a beautifully simple, safe, and realistic blueprint that anyone can implement starting today to bring true balance and wisdom into your medical journey. Do not make the mistake of completely ignoring your healthcare team or canceling essential appointments out of fear, as having a supportive, caring relationship with a trusted doctor is incredibly valuable for your peace of mind. Instead, the very next time you are faced with a long list of routine, automated screening tests, simply give yourself permission to pause and ask your doctor a few gentle, highly focused questions. Ask them exactly what would happen if you chose to leave this specific test alone, what the likelihood of a false positive is for someone of your exact age, and whether the treatment for what they might find is more disruptive than the condition itself. Make it a comfortable habit to act as the primary, wise guardian of your own physical house, always remembering that every medical test is a choice that should actively serve your current quality of life, not your fears. This simple, mindful approach is completely safe, requires zero medical expertise, and is perfectly tailored to keep you entirely in control of your own longevity without ever compromising your deep peace of mind. It is completely natural to feel a brief wave of uncertainty or even a little bit of hesitation when you first consider stepping away from the standard medical routine that society has drilled into us for decades. It can feel deeply counterintuitive to realize that the very tests presented as the gold standard of care can sometimes act as a hidden trap for a mature metabolism and an aging frame. But I want to give you back absolute hope, clarity, and authority over your physical well-being today. You are the ultimate expert on your own daily comfort, and your body does not require a constant barrage of diagnostic verification to remain strong and resilient. The moment you remove the artificial anxiety of chasing unnecessary medical numbers and replace it with a calm trust in your daily energy and vitality, your entire nervous system relaxes into a state of healing. Small, thoughtful conversations at your next checkup can completely protect you from decades of unnecessary medical interventions, giving you the direct power to shield your body from harm and reclaim the light, self-sufficient lifestyle you truly deserve to enjoy. In summary, protecting your health and preserving your daily independence after 60 requires shifting away from blind compliance with every automated screening and developing a wise, discerning approach to preventive medicine. Routine annual EKGs for low-risk individuals, Pap smears past 65, screening colonoscopies after 75, aggressive PSA tests for older men, and commercial full-body CT scans frequently lead to a dangerous cycle of overdiagnosis and unnecessary physical harm. By replacing automated testing habits with thoughtful, direct conversations with your doctor about your actual quality of life, you can safely protect your body from the physical toll of overtreatment and allow your mature years to flow with absolute lightness. Take care of your body, because it is the only house you have to live in. Small steps today, like pausing to ask your doctor about the true necessity of a routine test, or focusing your energy on how you feel during your daily activities, can make a truly massive difference in how strong, steady, and independent you feel for all the beautiful years ahead. You hold the ultimate authority over your own health journey, and your path toward pristine long-term longevity and a life of unrestricted physical freedom begins with the very next checkup you choose to manage with true wisdom. Stay wise, listen to your body's natural internal signals, and embrace your health journey with absolute assurance.